The atomic nucleus, Unit 19, Physics, Class 12. Question 1. The half-life is of the 140 days. By what percent does its activity decrease per day? Answer 3.46%. Question 2. What will be the maximum energy of the electron in the beta decay of? Answer 0.0186 mega electron volt. Question 3. What is the mass number of an atom? Answer the total number of protons and neutrons. Question 4. Who discovered the atomic nucleus? Answer Ernest Rutherford. Question 5. What particle is emitted in alpha decay? Answer helium nucleus. Question 6. What is the neutron's charge? Answer neutrons. Question 7. Which force binds nucleus together? The nucleus. Answer strong nuclear force. Question 8. What is the beta particles in beta decay? Answer electrons. Question 9. What is the process called when a nucleus splits into smaller nucleus? Answer fission. Question 10. What is the energy equivalent of one atomic mass unit? You answer 931.5 megawatt electron volt. Question 11. Which element has the highest bending energy per nucleus? Answer iron. Nucleon. Answer iron. Question 12. What type of radiation is the most penetrating? Answer gamma radiation. Question 13. What does the half-life of radioactivity is of represent time for half of the simple to decay? Question 14. What is the parent nucleus in uranium 235 fraction? Answer uranium 235. Question 15. What particle causes nuclear fission in uranium 235? Answer neutrons. Question 16. What is the main application of nuclear fission? Answer hydrogen bombs. Question 17. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Answer 8. Question 18. Which isotopes is used as fuel in a nuclear reaction? Answer uranium 235. Question 19. What is gamma radiation? Answer high energy photons. Question 20. How does a nuclear reaction release energy? Answer by mass to energy conversion. Question 21. Which isotope is used in nuclear medicine? Answer technetium 99 m. Question 22. What is a nuclear
Question 22. What is a nuclear chain reaction? Answer continuously fusion caused by released neutron.
Question 23. What particles make up
the nucleus of an atom? Answer protons and neutrons. Question 24. What determines the identity of an element? Answer atomic number.
Question 25. What is the weighted average mass of an atom?
Answer atomic mass.
Question 26. What type of radiation consists of two protons and two neutrons? Answer alpha particles. Question 27. What is the equal to the number of protons in an atom? Answer
atomic number.
Question 28. Which type of reaction involves charge in the nucleus?
Answer nuclear reaction.
Question 29. Which force is responsible for the attraction between charged particles? The answer is electromagnetic force. Question 30. What is the charge of a proton? The answer positive charge.